How to fix TurboTax installation problems in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. The first method is Enable .NET Framework. For this, click on Search, type Control, click on Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, click on this link, Turn Windows Features on or off. Make sure that .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0 is selected, and also .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services is selected. If they are not selected, select them and click on OK. This process will enable .NET Framework on your computer. Once completed, check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, perform clean boot. For this, click on Search, type msconfig, click on the result, System Configuration, go to the Services tab, check this box, hide all Microsoft services, and click on Disable All. Then go to Startup tab, click on Open Task Manager. Make sure that all the startup apps are disabled. If any app is enabled, disable it. Suppose this app is enabled at a startup, simply right click on this app and select Disable. In the same way, disable all the startup programs. Once you have disabled all the startup programs, close the Task Manager and click on OK. Click on Restart, let the computer restart and check if the issue is fixed and TurboTax is installed. You can clear temporary installation files to fix the issue. For this, right click on Start, select Run, type temp, click on OK. Select all the files and click on Delete. In the same way, run %temp%, click on OK. Select all the files and folders here and click on Delete. Check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, install Microsoft Visual C++ 2022 redistributable package. For this, go to the video description and click on the link to Visual C++ 2022 redistributable package. You will reach this page. Click on this link. For x64 device, click on this link. Let the file download. Once downloaded, click on the exe file and follow the on-screen instructions. Visual C++. On my computer it is already installed, so the options are different. On your computer, follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. The next method is run CHKDSK. For this, click on Search, type cmd, Right click on the result, select Run as Administrator and type this command: CHKDSK space C, where C is the drive, colon space /f space /r. The command is given in the description. You can copy from there. After typing the command, press enter. CHKDSK cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Type Y and press enter. Then close the command prompt and restart your computer. When restarting, the disk will be checked and fixed. If any error or bad sector is found, then try to install TurboTax. If any of the methods doesn't work, then create a new user account. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Accounts, scroll down and click on Other Users. For Add Other User, click on Add Account. Click on this link. I don't have this person sign in information. Click on this link, add a user without a Microsoft account. Type username and type password. Fill up the options and click on next. Now click on this arrow mark. Click on change account type and make this account administrator. Click on OK. After making this account administrator, check if the TurboTax is installed successfully. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.